Welcome families to Preston's open house. It's great to be back seeing students both virtually and in person. It's brought so much joy to the Preston faculty. We are reminded that we belong together. Tonight you will experience a presentation by classroom teachers via Zoom. Encore teachers and specialists created pre-recorded videos that can be found on the Preston webpage. Once again, we have been recognized by New York State Department of Education as a School of Recognition for Academic Growth. This award proves that we are ridiculously awesome. Thanks to teachers, families, and district leadership. As a result, our children are achieving at high levels. So proud of them. Remember our 3 school rules. You care for yourself each and every day. You care for others by practicing empathy and understanding how others might feel. And we care for Preston, where we learn each and every day. And just a reminder, you can ask your children these questions when they come home. So how did you care for yourself at school today? How did you care for someone else? And what did you do for Preston? Together, we can do virtually anything. It's a bulletin board that you'll find in our 5th grade hallways, and you'll see throughout the school year how we're going to do that. So thank you for following the safety protocols, which is what we can do together. Arrivals and dismissal have been running smoothly. Thank you for wearing a face covering and for social distancing. These 2 safety measures will ensure that Preston continues to be a safe place to learn and to teach. Please continue to complete the COVID questionnaire on Crisis Go, whether your children are coming in person on the hybrid model or on the days when they're learning from home. This ensures that we know how well students are feeling. If you answer yes to any of the questions, please keep your children home until you are contacted by either the school nurse or myself. At Preston, we practice keeping a safe space 6 feet apart. And everywhere you go, you'll see a green dot. And the green dots have already been socially distant, and students will know that's where I can stand, sit, and you'll find them in our hallways, in our classrooms, in the cafeteria, and throughout the entire school. Here are some images of the hybrid school. Here are students taking a mask break outdoors during their snack time, getting an opportunity to talk to each other and to get to know each other. In kindergarten, students are still learning early literacy concepts and math concepts while practicing social distancing. I had the opportunity to read Don't Eat Your Classmates to our kindergartners, which is a great book. During recess, children have been flexible and creative, playing games that don't require equipment while remaining a safe space. Here's an example of independent reading. 5th graders in science class, students who are both in person and virtual. Physical education class where students are exercising and practicing the important elements of physical education. We're making sure students stay engaged by playing math games that teach important concepts. Here's an example of music class, still learning the music elements and music theory. If you have technology support for Seesaw, Google, or Zoom, between the hours of 8:30 to 11:30, you can call this number, 914-630-3276, and you will receive support on the issue that you are having. Attendance. Attendance will, when students are in person, whether they're present or not on their hybrid day, will take attendance. When they're learning from home, attending Zoom and Google Meets are important. That's also included as part of your attendance. And when you're learning from home, assignments on Google Classroom or Seesaw are also considered as part of your attendance. So it is important that students engage daily on these platforms. After 11:30, if you still have technology issues and you need support, remember to go to our Learning from Home page on the district website. And here you'll find information regarding curriculum, regarding technology support, and any other information that will help you to navigate the hybrid model. Thank you to our Preston PTA and under the leadership of Ms. Luda Gaffin and Lila Galenti. Please remember to join the PTA if you haven't. It's really important to continue that homeschool connection. And we're planning for events that will occur both virtually and possibly in person. So thank you for your attention. You'll have classroom presentations that will speak further about the curriculum, and we'll work together throughout the school year. Thank you for your ongoing feedback, and together we'll make Preston a place to learn safely, and it'll be fun as well. Remember, care for yourself, care for others, care for Preston, and we belong together. Okay, thank you, families. See you throughout the school year.